how many hours a day is optimal for practice as an undergraduate? Um, as many as you can, as much time as you can. I'll tell you the minimum I'd recommend. Like, if you can't write copy for at least 30 minutes a day, just go quit now. Go do something else. Go work at a 9 to 5. Go just stay in the rat race, do whatever you want, because it's not going to work. In fact, no business is going to work if you can't spend at least 30 minutes a day on it. If you cannot, outside of a 9 to 5, university, college, high school, whatever you're doing right now, if you cannot devote at least 30 minutes per day to anything, you will never build a business. You will never hit 5K a month. You will never hit 10K a month. You will never get free from your 9 to 5. You will never escape the rat race. If you don't have the discipline to give up some video games temporarily or cut them back, give up Netflix temporarily or cut them back, give up partying with the boys on the weekend or cut them back, if you can't sacrifice, it's not even sacrifice, it's just trading one bad thing for a good thing. If you can't sacrifice even a little bit of time to build up an online business, go back to your 9 to 5, go into the rat race, go get a job and live a boring life. Like, some people, that's what they want to do, and that's fine. But if you are here and you want to actually build a 10K a month freelance copywriting business, you want to be a 10K a month freelancer, you want to do this in 3 to 4 hours a day, it doesn't start with 3 to 4 hours a day making 10K a month. This is something you build towards. I didn't start with that. Dude, I was grinding. My first 6 weeks until I landed my first client, I was writing for 2 to 4 hours a day. Like 2 to 4 hours a day. And guess what I was doing every day? Driving in my car to my 12-hour day job and driving back from my 12-hour day job every day while doing this. This is not, like, business is not easy to build, but it makes your life easier once you've built it. I'm going to say that again. It's really important. No business is easy to build. Any business that's going to hit 10K a month or beyond and give you more freedom and free time to do whatever you want and live your most ideal life where you can wake up when you want, travel when you want, have as much free time as you want, and make all the money you want. Getting there is not going to be an easy path, no matter the business. It doesn't matter if it's copywriting or drop shipping or e-com or sales or trading. Like, it doesn't matter what it is, or a brick and mortar business. It's going to be hard. But here's the thing. The alternative is going to be hard too. Going to your 9 to 5 is going to be hard. Going to school for 4 years and spending $100K on a degree that doesn't mean anything anymore, that's going to be hard. Waking up with a whole bunch of debt and having to get in your car to go to some job you hate for the next 40 years and work for a boss who undervalues you and doesn't let you leave without feeling guilty to go on a trip with your family. Like, that's hard too. So you got to pick your heart. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you can't devote at least 30 minutes per day to writing, go do something else. And good luck doing something else and have that work out too. You need to learn how to become a hermit and grind away in monk mode in your cave for a season. You have to do this if you want. Thankfully, you don't have to spend 8 hours a day doing this. If you can devote even 30 minutes to an hour a day to practice your actual writing skill, you can get good enough in 30 days to land clients.